Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and on this video I'll show you how to verify your Facebook page or Facebook profile with a blue tick. What you do, you just tap to open your Facebook app. Like that. Remember this one, when you want to apply for a verification badge, you use a Facebook app but not Facebook Lite. After opening your Facebook profile, you are live at this page. So what you do, you just tap on these three small lines on the top. These three small lines at the top. Tap there to open. Then you scroll down to help and support. This one. You tap to open help and support. Again, you go to help center. This one. Then when you arrive on this page, this is where now you concentrate on how to apply for the verification badge. You concentrate, you go to search, this part, you search Facebook verification badge, the blue badge. So you can search, then you just tap on the search to open. Then after opening your search, you again go to how to apply, or how do I request a verified badge on Facebook. You just tap there. Then you are live on this part where you scroll down to verify your profile or page, to get this form. Here you have to fill this form on this part. You tap on fill in this form. You tap there to open another page. You finally arrive at this part where you have to choose what you are verifying, either your page or your profile. On this part of tutorial, I will just use my profile. So I will choose my profile. Then on the second part, you have to provide your profile link. So I will just go to my Facebook Lite to copy, paste my profile link. So here now I have to copy the link. It has already been copied. So I'll go back on the place where I'm filling the form. Then I'll paste the link that I have already copied from Facebook Lite. Then on the other part, you'll have to include to confirm your identity. Either you can choose one of the documents that you want to upload, either driving license, passport, national identification card, etc. On my case, I'll choose my national identification card. Then I'll have to upload the file. So I'll go to my drive to choose the file that I want to upload. I'll choose my file, my identity. So I'll tap my ID for Lite to upload on the form. On the other part, again, you can see you have to choose the category, the brand of your profile or the brand of your page. Again, you have to enter your region or country. So you tap to type your region, your country, like that. Then we have these other optional parts. You can indicate if you want. Finally, you have to click on send. Then you wait for the verification from Facebook. And this is the response. You can see this is my response. I'm not qualifying for verification. So if your page or the profile is verified, you meet this notification. That is about applying for a verification badge on Facebook. We'll meet again with another presentation. Bye.